Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a thrifting vlog. It's the holiday season and I'm really excited because we are gifting a friend of mine an entire apartment makeover, but everything is going to be thrifted and it's completely gifted. It's just in time for the holiday season and we are at Goodwill. I want to see if we can find a few little last minute touches. I've already done a ton of hunting on Facebook Marketplace, lots of thrift stores in the area, but there's still a few things we need to finish the project. If you want to see how this makeover turns out, by the way, make sure you turn on your notifications and tune into next week's video because I will be showing you the before and after and the whole process next week. But today we're just going to be looking for those final touches. One thing that I need some nightstands for her bedroom. I could definitely use some more filler pieces like coffee table books, picture frames, things like that. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to see what we can find. We also need some throw pillows for the sofa. So let's stop talking and let's go in and see if we can find anything for this makeover. I was surprised how much Christmas decor was at the thrift store. I've been seeing a lot of it lately since I've been thrift shopping, and I really like these ornaments too. I'm very tempted to buy them. Now she does need some bedding, and I'm not one to get used bedding, but I don't mind a blanket or a throw or something like that that can be washed. These also look brand new, so I was considering possibly using them for the makeover, because a throw can make a huge difference. You can throw it on a side table, in a basket, over the bed, and it really changes the look of the room. She's also going to need basic household supplies like knives and utensils. I'm going to a birthday party after this and I need a gift bag. They have these gift bags. Would it be like really weird if I got one of these? I don't know. This one is cute. Only $1.75. This is a smaller thrift store, but they actually had some nice finds. I really like this frame. It really goes with her rustic boho vibe, but I don't know. I just couldn't really see what I'd put in the frame, so I put it back. You really have to look through every little thing, and when I found this, you guys, I was so happy. Guys, I can't believe I just found this for only $6.50. This would go so nicely in her hallway. People really overlook their hallways, and just a simple lamp in the hall can give it an elevated look. Now this lamp was really cute. I don't necessarily need another lamp because I already have one. I might use this in my own makeover for my office space, but I wanted to grab it just in case. It's better to have more things than not enough. Also, I loved this book. It was colorful and it popped. Books make a huge difference when you're designing as well. I'm talking about for styling, so coffee table styling, bookshelf styling, even on your dresser, books can really come in clutch when it comes to adding that extra touch to any space. They had a really large section, but not much to choose from. So they have this whole section right here of coffee table books, and I think we should be able to find a couple that we can use for styling. So let's see. A lot of these are like from the 90s. We're not in a big city where we can find like really hip ones. So hopefully we can find something that we can at least take the like book cover off of. So this section here has a lot of trays and boxes, and those kinds of things are perfect if you're looking for stuff for styling. I actually already have a tray, but if I didn't, this actually would be a really nice one to use to style like books, a coffee maker, things like that. This one is also really nice. I'd probably put this like, actually, it's $14. I think that's a little bit much for this. I'll pass, but this is cute. So she has a little bar, and I think these would be so cute for us to style on the bar area. It's $1.29. They have two. Let's see if we can find something else to add on there. But I also really like this as well. I think it has a really cool shape that you don't see that much. And there's this classic like wine glass. I don't know. I was trying to find a matching pair, but I think that these two are close enough to where it could work. These two right here. Do you guys remember when we did a partnership with Homery like 2-3 videos ago? Let's see what this is. I just found a steal, but I actually don't really need this for anything, so I'm wondering if I should leave it here for somebody else. I feel like this is too good to just leave in the store, so I'm actually gonna call my mom and see if she could use a new sink faucet. So one second. Do you remember Homery, that company I did a partnership with a couple months ago? Well, I just was thrifting and I saw a box from them, and then I see this faucet. I opened it up and it's like a new sink faucet for $25. That's pretty nice. Yeah, do you want it? Because I don't have any place for it, but I thought maybe you would want it. Denied. Now in the very back on my way to checkout, I realized there was an entire furniture section. So I took a sneak peek, but honestly, I was pretty disappointed. There really wasn't much to choose from. All the furniture looked pretty outdated, except for this tall white dresser. It was really giving me restoration hardware vibes. Now here is a nightstand, which we are in need of, but it was so beat down, so I just moved past it. They did have a big art collection, and I really actually thought about getting this white canvas because I think it would be perfect for some DIY art. You have so much potential with DIY art. You can add on like little wood pieces. You can make any kind of design that you want really for much affordable, and large scale art like that can be really expensive. So I actually might go back and get that. I did pass up on it, but I might go back and get it. Hey guys, so that actually went really well. We found a lamp, we found ornaments, a wall sconce. What else do we find? We found cocktail glasses. Everything added up to only $35, which is seriously a steal. I think that was actually quite a bit of thrifting. We didn't find any art, we didn't find any pillows, accent pillows, and we didn't find any nightstands. So I'm actually gonna do that with you guys in next week's video when I do the full makeover. So you guys don't want to miss it. I'm so excited. It's going to be a huge transformation. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. That was a lot of fun, and I hope you got some tips about thrifting. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.